If you're a pet owner watching your furniture slowly turn into confetti, then you need to hear this. So why is your furry friend turning your stylish sofa into a snack? Well, brace yourselves, pet detectives, as we dive into the choosy psyche of our canine pals. First up, teething. Just like babies, puppies chew to soothe their gums. Ouch! Next on the list is, drumroll please, boredom. Yep, your pooch might just be chewing out of sheer boredom or excess energy. It's like their way of saying, hey, I need more playtime. And let's not forget anxiety. Sometimes our four-legged friends chew to cope with stress. It's their version of biting nails, only way more expensive for you. So what's your game plan to save your furniture? Drop us a comment and let's swap some tips.